Good morning, everyone. Welcome to MAU, and hope all of you are doing good. So today we are going to go into the next set of interview questions for intern positions for software testing. So the next set of questions are: what is integration testing? Integration testing is a level of software testing process where individual units of an application are combined and tested. It is usually performed after unit and functional testing. What are the different levels of testing? There are 4 different test levels. The first one is unit testing, which is also called as component, program, or module testing. Then integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. The 13th question is: what test plans consist of? The test plans consist of test case identifier, scope, features to be tested, features not to be tested, test strategy and test approach, test deliverables, responsibilities, staffing and training, risk and contingencies. The 14th question is: what is the difference between UAT, that is user acceptance testing, and system testing? System testing is finding defects when the system undergoes testing as a whole. It is also known as end-to-end testing. In such type of testing, the system suffers from beginning till the end. In the user acceptance testing or UAT environment, it involves running a product through a series of specific tests which determines whether the product will meet the needs of its users. Mention the difference between data-driven testing and retesting. Retesting is a process of checking bugs that are actioned by the development team to verify that they are fixed. In data-driven testing process, the application is tested with multiple test data, and the application is tested with a different set of values. What are the valuable steps to resolve issues while testing? Record, log, and handle any problems which have happened. Report the issues to higher level manager, and control, define the issue management process. What is the difference between test scenarios, test cases, and test script? The difference between test scenarios and test cases is that a test scenario is any functionality that can be tested. It is also called test condition or test possibility. Test cases: it is a document that contains the steps that have to be executed. It has been planned earlier. And test script: it is written in a programming language, and it's a short program used to test part of the functionality of the software system. In other words, a written test of steps that should be performed manually. What is latent defect? Latent defect is an existing defect in the system which does not cause any failure, as the exact set of conditions has never been met. What are the 2 parameters which can be useful to know the quality of test execution? To know the quality of test execution, we can use 2 parameters: defect reject ratio, defect leakage ratio. The last question for today: what is the function of the software testing tool Phantom? Phantom is a freeware and is used for Windows graphic user interface automation scripting language. It allows us to take control of Windows and functions automatically. It can simulate any combination of keystrokes and mouse clicks, as well as menus, lists, and more. I hope these 10 questions would be of use to you as you prepare for the internship interview positions. All the very best, and make use of these videos as they are prepared with the mindset that it would be useful for you, so that you can face the interview and have success. Until we meet again, let's all thrive to learn.